Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-40 license. Now in the state of California, the D-40 license is for service station equipment and maintenance contractors. Now this definition is straight from the CSLB, which is the Contractor State License Board. I'm not going to go through all of these points because we're going to cover them in the video. However, I strongly suggest that you take a look at this definition. It's linked below this video. Now this classification falls under the C61 limited specialty umbrella, which is a grouping of more obscure, very specific contractor license types. Again, I got this definition linked below. However, I'm going to take a look at two closer pertinent points. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of operations of classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So essentially, you always want to make sure that the type of work you're doing falls under the correct contractor license classification and that it is accepted by the CSLB so that you don't run into any issues. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold a D-40 license are doing gas station maintenance and repair. So essentially, this is just, meter calibration, different drive-off repairs, automotive shop equipment, maintenance, fluid handling, dispenser hardware, filters, lifts and jacks, petroleum builders, gas station services, a variety of different gas station maintenance and repair related services. Next, another big point of service that is offered under this license is compliance testing. So there are certain individuals that just do, vapor recovery testing, monitoring certifications, containment testing, tank testing and compliance, preparing notice of violations, overfill prevention testing and inspection. So this is another big area of expertise that contractors who hold a D-40 license specialize in. Now in the state of California, you've got to pass the California Construction Law Exam. This is going to be a 115 question exam covering everything from license requirements to advertising and subcontracting, taxes and financial reporting, cash management, Cal OSHA, business structures. There's a ton of information on this exam. We cover everything you need to know in detail in our course. Now, contractors who hold the D-40 license hold other licenses in many cases. Remember, when you hold multiple contractor licenses in California, you have to have the experience in that particular trade. The most common additional license that D-40 contractors hold is the C10 electrical, the A general engineering license, and the B general building license. Now, we've got more information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. In addition to that, another most common license held by D-40 contractors is the C21 demolition license and then the hazardous waste certificate. Again, we've got information on all of these different classifications and how to obtain them on our website. Now, as I said, the exam you're going to need to pass is going to be 115 questions. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete it. It'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that'll be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, there may be math-related questions on the exam, everything from arithmetic to units of measurement, calculating square footages, and questions relating to percentages and decimals. Now, we cover everything you need to know for the exam in a clear and easy to understand way with tons of examples and visual diagrams and essentially a full summary of everything you need to know. Now, this would come in the form of physical study guides or ebooks, online videos with audio reviews, tons of online practice exam questions, a complete math course, and then of course, application preparation and review with full customer support throughout the entire licensing process. Now, we've got a separate video that goes into the D-40 license requirements. I strongly suggest that you check that out. We've also got the most up-to-date fees as well as the links to the application below the video and as well our complete course. I hope that you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. This is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.